guys, Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. I'm about to attempt some soldering, so I'm going to plug in my soldering iron here, and while it's getting warm, I'll adjust the camera so you guys can see what we're going to try to attempt to do today. So this is my soldering iron just hanging, being warmed up, and I shut all my entertainment off because I don't know exactly how the soldering iron will work with the new wind turbine. So we'll see exactly what happens here. Oops. And I gotta break out some solder so we can, we got some really thin stuff, so we'll see if this stuff works okay. So I'm gonna attach this white wire to, hopefully, to this solar panel that I got for free, and we'll see what happens. Now, I may need to do something like this in order to keep the wire flat. It's hard to say. Melting a little bit of solder. Onto the solar panel, hopefully. There we go. Now, if I'm careful, I don't know what my voltage is at right now, but if I'm careful, I can wrap this soldering around the wire. Nope. Sorry about the lighting here, guys. Let's fix that. Crap. Come on. Stay put. Not the best thing in the world here. Need to kind of block the camera so I can hold this wire in place. Okay, that might have went. Let me just check my voltage right now. Wow, 13.9 under with the inverter on and the soldering iron. Never been able to do that before, guys. So the turbine must be going crazy out there. I think I got it. You guys, let's see if you guys can see anything. Here, I gotta remove the... Oh crap, it came off. Well, that's a joke. Let me get some flux on this thing then. It's hard to believe that this is doing this. You'd think it would hold the wire on there. I think it did that time. You guys see that? Yeah, you can see it. There it is. It's held there, so now I can try to get the ground wire going down here. And I have to zoom out for you guys to see that. So I think I gotta make a little blob. Whoops. Running low on solder here. And I gotta add in my got very little solder on there, so I gotta, let's see, get some more. Yeah, I don't think it connected. Ooh. Get it on this side too. Okay, let's see. If those wires hold up on there. I'll just I'll zoom back out, lift the panel up, show you guys. So, probably crappy solder job, but it looks like everything's melted in there pretty decent. So that one solar panel's done, I think, and I can test this out with a meter outside to see how much voltage it's bringing in. And we'll go from there. So I got one more of these to do. Got to find some more wires, and I will do that. And be back for the round 2.